Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram filters not working. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Instagram filters are not working, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to try to update your Instagram app. Simply open your App Store or Play Store and then you have to search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app, and after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app. In iPhone, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app here. You have to try to offload your app. After offloading, you have to reinstall your app and your issue must be fixed. In your Android phone, you have to clear cache files of your Instagram app, but you can also try to uninstall the app and then reinstall it on your iPhone or any Android. And after reinstallation process, your issue must be fixed. Sometime there might be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app. It will be fixed in the reinstallation process. And after that, you can easily use filters on your Instagram app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.